I have Connor's sunglasses on. We are awake. It is day 2?
Day
Anyways,
3.
we're going to downtown Manhattan today to do some apartment hunting, but we are in need of some caffeine, so walking to go find some right now. I'm just not sure about this round shape on my face. I like
Looks good.
an aviator looks better. Starting out with the first apartment that we looked at in Manhattan, it was specifically located in the East Village, a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. It had central AC and heat, which was great. We initially weren't going to look in this neighborhood, but our broker recommended it and said that it was really budget friendly and you get a lot of bang for your buck. She was right. They had brand new appliances that looked really nice. It was quite spacious for a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. I specifically liked all the storage space. There's a small pantry, there's a closet in the main area, and also a closet in the bedroom. And the bathroom was quite large too, with a really big mirror. It also had great amenities. There was a fitness center, laundry, and a courtyard on the main floor. So we liked the apartment, but it just wasn't the location that we wanted to be in. The second apartment that we toured was located in Nolita. It was 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. This neighborhood is next to Soho and above Little Italy. I love the view from the windows. It just felt very New York. It was much smaller, one of the smallest apartments that we looked at, but as I said before, the size and space that you get in Manhattan is a lot different than what you get for similar prices in Brooklyn. We liked that it felt really clean. There was a closet in the bedroom. The bathroom was actually quite spacious and we liked the tile, and it also was pretty clean, had a good sized mirror. The kitchen had newer appliances and it also had a dishwasher, which was great. There was no in-unit laundry, and the living space just really wasn't there. It would be right next to the kitchen area. It felt really tiny. I thought about trying to make it work, but in the end, this one just didn't work out for us. However, it was an incredible location. We're over there all the time now. This is the second apartment that we looked at in Nolita. It was also a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. What I liked about this apartment is that it was segmented into sections. So bedroom, kitchen, living space, they all had their designated areas. And obviously, as we're looking at the bathroom, it actually looked out, you can't see, into a graveyard. I also didn't mention that both of these units were 5th floor walk-ups. This bedroom didn't have a closet, so I was kind of bummed about that. Not a lot of storage in either of them. There was really nice appliances and a dishwasher in this one as well. I love the living space. It had really nice light and looked out to a beautiful view. I definitely thought this one would be doable as well. I mean, there was no space, but I just love the location. And if we had to pick one in Manhattan, I really would have liked this one. First floor, 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. It was currently being renovated as we were looking at it. I really liked the size of the bedroom, and it had a closet. There wasn't much light, but there was at least a window in there. And we didn't get to see much of the bathroom as the person that was working on it during our showing. It looked nice, kind of just like the other bathrooms that we had seen in the area. Tile, tub, you know the drill, decent sized mirror. And then what I didn't like about the unit was that there wasn't a defined kitchen. It just kind of faced the living space. It wasn't amazing. Didn't have a dishwasher, and I really, really wanted a dishwasher, but definitely doable. And then 2 windows that brought some light into the living area. We just finished doing some apartment tours in downtown Manhattan, and that was fun. A lot less space than you get in Brooklyn, but it's near all of the nightlife and all of the great restaurants in the area. So now we just kind of have to make the choice of where we want to live. And right now we're walking through the West Village, and it's so beautiful and pretty over here too. It's quieter and kind of reminds me of Cobble Hill, or that area in Brooklyn that we were looking. A lot of older buildings, pretty pristine condition, and a lot of good restaurants too. Picked up some matchas. I got that one too.